Okay, out here on a site. At one time, this site used to be as a junkyard or repair shop. On the map, and we'll look at the map, that you can see all this used to be covered with cars. So there's a friend of mine that's looking at purchasing this, and I was thinking this would be a perfect example to look at remediation of brownfield. I would call this more, I wouldn't call it brownfield because this area was just junkyard, but this would be a good project to look at, kind of looking at heavy metals and also petroleum products that may have contaminated the soils out here. As you can see right now, this lot has been vacant for a while, so majority of all of the cars have been moved. And the reason these cars have been moved is to kind of help to make this property more suited, to be sold for real estate. So as of right now, I think it's about an acre. This is one part of the lot. This is where they had majority of the cars. I'm focusing in this area because of the slope and everything's kind of running in this direction. What the owner was telling me is that they had forklifts and all kind of different heavy machinery out here, which was removed from this property. A lot of catsuit, surface. Majority of it is asphalt or gravel. Setting up my GPS so I can get an accurate GPS point of where I am. I'm thinking in this area, like I said, this is for more educational purposes. I may see, can I get 2 or 3 samples back here? Normally I would kind of use a good sampling method where I would, zigzag through. My thoughts, most of the cars were along the edges of this property. Here's that 2010 photo with a picture of all the cars. I already looked at the area photos, and I've used Google Earth to kind of go back in time on the photos all the way to 92, and looks like 2010 was a good year around here. This whole parking lot was filled with cars. The owner was telling me that there were forklifts and track holes out here, so I guess they were working on those. So there's probably surface contamination of hydraulic fluid, all of your different pollutants or petroleum products that you would find in cars and trucks and tractors. So I may fly the drone to kind of look at an overall area photo of this area, a recent area photo. This is one of the main holding lots that they had. So I'm gonna see about getting my auger out. I'm gonna test this area in the back and also this area on the side just to see. Way back to the truck, sharpshooter auger didn't really work. Now I'm going to the post hole digger. Now if the post hole digger don't work, then we're gonna need a jackhammer, and that's something that I don't have. There we go. Time I think I had gotten down a little further, bigger piece of rock. Right there's concrete. So it's kind of Swiss cheesed or checkerboarded with concrete and gravel, and just hard to get through the soil. So I dug a spot so I could get through, so I'm gonna check it out right now. So we got down a little deeper into the hole. As you can see, looks like this area, it goes all the way down to about here, you can see. So we're looking at maybe about 8 inches. Under there you got I'd say more of a sandy clay loam to clay loam textured. Oh, actually there's some pieces of clay in there. Actually this is, I would call this more of a clay. Using a web soil survey, we can see that this is mapped as Appling, but this should be a complex with urban land included. That's that back part of that roof. These pictures were shot with my drone, my Phantom 4. I probably was about 150 feet in the air. As you can see, some good area photos kind of help you to make decisions about the land. The more you know, the better off you are at making decisions.